If you've previously closed your Binance account and wish to reopen it, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Binance website. Go to the official Binance website using your web browser. Ensure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Login. Locate the Login button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Input your registered email address and password associated with your closed account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Complete the verification process. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Review and accept terms. Once logged in, review any updated terms of service or policies. Accept them to finalize the reopening of your account. After completing these steps, your Binance account should be reopened and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Binance customer support for assistance.